Tip number 1. Know before you go. Keep in mind school start and end times. Also, know when classes are in session. Pay close attention to any messages from LPS or your school. Know when adult supervision starts by following the drop-off times listed in your school's handbook. Don't leave any children unattended, and make sure school staff are on duty to supervise before leaving. Also, learn your school's traffic plans and patterns. LPS safety and operations teams collaborate with our city partners, Lincoln Police and Lincoln Transportation and Utilities, to design these plans. They will serve as your main guide to knowing the proper places to park your vehicle and where to enter the school. Share these plans and patterns with any individual responsible for dropping off or picking up your child from school.